guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be showing you guys how I do this little wall situation that's going on right back here. This is going to be my new background setup, so get used to it. You're gonna see my name, baby. You're gonna see it because it's there. So I got the grass patch, basically the grass wall, and then I got the neon sign. You guys already know about that, and I will link everything in the description bar, the sign, where I got it from, and also the grass. So the grass is clearly fake. That's not real grass, honey. We ain't put no grass on the wall. But they come in these 20 by 20 like squares, and all you have to do is staple the squares on your wall with a staple gun. Like I did purchase the staple gun from Amazon as well. I will link that below. And I followed Alyssa Forever's video as well, so I will link that below as well. So I just wanted to show you guys my version because she didn't put neon sign up on hers, so I wanted to show you guys how I did that. Now the only thing with the neon sign, if you guys are not into like building or don't know anything about putting things on the wall, Google it. But I will say that you do need not stud finders, because you're not going to find a stud where those holes are in that neon sign, but you do need some anchors. So I'll link everything below for you guys. This project was cool. The only thing I had an issue with was the sign. It broke. You'll see it in the video. I'm not even gonna talk anymore about it. As you can see, I finessed it, friend. It's finessed it, okay? It is definitely finessed it, but it's a broken, and it was all my fault. But anyway, you guys gonna see in the video, so let me just stop rambling and get right into it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Oh, and if you guys are wondering about my hair, I just did a twist out on old hair. My hair was like old, and it didn't dry in another style, so I literally woke up the next day, put some cream on my hair. Actually, I used the Texture ID cream. I put that on my hair and I just twisted it up, and this is the results, and I think it looks amazing. But anyway, neither here nor there. I will have a video on that later, but this video is about the grass wall, so let's get right into it. All right, you guys, this is what we're working with. I said this is what we're working with. What I gotta do is pull this desk out so that I can put my greenery. I'm gonna put it all right here. I'm gonna do all that. This is what I have right now, and this square just is not doing it for me. Yes, I can move this over and stuff, but I just feel like this big sign just needs to be on something way bigger, so I feel like it needed to go from there to there, and I'm like, might as well do it from there to there. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, and let's go. Before we get in this video, don't talk about my hair, okay? I had a bun in my head and I took it out, and I'm about to wash my hair, but first I want to put this wall up. Oh, I ain't showed y'all the grass, duh. So I looked at Alyssa Forever's video, y'all. Those things are still down here. I'm still trying to decide, but anyway, we're not on that right now. Alyssa Forever actually recommended it. She had a grass wall video, and I'm basically gonna do the same tutorial. I will link her video below so y'all can check out hers as well. But this is the same grass that she got, and I'm gonna be using a stapler like she did because it seems super easy. So let's take this box. It comes with 12 in here, and this one is like $117 for all of this. This is how big the box is, but it's like $117. And it comes with 12. So once I get this up those steps, hi Sky, then we'll be good to go. Yo! Did y'all see that? I broke it. Look. I cracked it right here. Yes, I know it was stupid to try to take it down, but the freaking studs wouldn't come out, and I couldn't see them past the grass. That's why I was trying to get it down before it fell, and it fell, and it cracked it. Damn. I hope it ain't cracked too many more places. Oh, it has plastic on it. Okay. Didn't know about that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to make sure I glue this back, you guys, because that sucks. But it still works. See, it's just cracked right here. Y'all not gonna see that, but that sucks. I'm annoyed just because I broke it. Well, no, it's not broken. I tried to glue it back. I used some E6000 glue. I feel like it'll be fine. Ain't no need to worry about the past, but let's just get to actually putting the grass wall up now, because now I just want to see it all up, and so that I don't touch it, because clearly I'm accident prone today. Going to get back a ladder. That ladder ain't tall enough, so now this is more like it, friend. Forgot to mention to you that they come with these little, like, let me show you, these little hooky thingies here, and basically every one of them have 2 on each side, 2 open and 2 like not open with the things in it, and you just basically put them in each other, so that's how you can connect them, and you know, just know that it's straight, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm doing. I'm just clicking everything up here. I already did the wall, and I realized that I didn't have enough for down there, but that's where my desk is, so I don't think I need it. And that's my last one, so I'm going to go ahead and put this up, and then I have to staple, and then we're going to put the light back up. Whew, child, it's been a journey. I think I ran out of staples. Staples going crazy. This is what the extra staples look like too. And in this gun, you just load her up. Just like that. Facing outward. Then you just, after you put them in, close that bad boy up and get to stapling. Green wall done. Now let's put the sun up. All right, I got my red lip pencil, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put a dot where I need to put these screws. But I gotta be careful because I almost broke my sign last time. I think this is good. I'm having a hard time. Yo, this is not my day. This is not my day. Oh well, it's going up anyway. Y'all, I'm telling you, my projects don't be perfect, but they be good. But they don't be perfect. Okay. I have it up, and I'm just feeding the cord through here so that it's not visible. Feed it through these holes. They have big holes for you to do that. And voila, friend! We got it. We did it. We did it. We did it. It's a lot that went on, and I was so frustrated, but I didn't give up, and I did it. Y'all remember that? Y'all remember that dance? 130,000 in my bag, okay, let me put my desk and stuff back, then I'll show you guys how fine I look.